Come on, we all want that for our kids, right?
Yeah, I mean, I love the kind of the vision that you painted there, because I could totally see like the doors opening up and the kids running through first, looking at all the go-karts, dad's trailing behind them, right? Well, mom and dad are trailing behind them, and the kids are just looking at these beautiful, these beautiful carts. What's up, guys? It's another vlog. It's vlog number 6 of Go-Kart Academy, sponsored by Kart
and 893 Motorsports.
And 893 Motorsports, right here, guys. 893 Motorsports. We're hanging out, guys, in the garage. We just finished a wonderful build that it kind of hit close to our heart.
Yeah, for sure, man. I mean, this thing is for a 7-year-old boy who's been racing dirt bikes. And his dad is, a local yokel. And we actually just met him like 2 days ago at the track. And our boys were running around and got him, said, hey, you want to take a ride in our go-kart? And he jumped in and absolutely loved it. And dad kind of walked over and said, hey, can I get one? And we were like, yeah.
Yeah. And so he was driving a junior kart with what was it?
The junior kid kart.
Junior kid kart with a
GX35 Honda motor, I think.
Okay, so a small motor.
Yeah.
And so they were driving around track C.
Oh, I know. He's actually driving Maverick's old kart.
That's right. He was driving Maverick's old kart around track C. And being a 7-year-old, the same age as our boys, he wanted a little bit more speed. And so he was lamenting the speed, and we had an extra brand new 2020 Kart Laguna V Cadet just built 3 days ago. So check out our video on that. Yep. And we had that out, and Joseph's been taking that out.
Yep.
And Maverick as well, because it's all a team kart. But they came by and they're like, hey, you want a little bit more speed? And we were just like, hey,
there you go.
Jump in this one, try it out. And so took it around, and when he came back, when the little boy came back, his smile told me everything I needed to know.
He could barely get the helmet off.
Oh yeah, he was just like, we were like, did you like it? And he was like, yes, this is the best. So it was really cool to be able to bring another dad and their son, a 7-year-old son, into the world of go-karting. And it'd be great to see them running around together, going wheel to wheel.
Yeah, I mean, it'll be fun to see them in turn 4, nose to tail. I love that turn. It's right in front of our garage. It'll be great. So
it'll be awesome. So we are actually, guys, for those of you that don't know, this is actually week 4 of our company of Go-Kart Academy in business. And it's crazy to think how far we've come. Now, we've been in go-karting for over half a year now, deep in the game with our 2 boys, but it's only been 4 weeks since we've begun the business side of this, and it's just amazing how far we've come so far.
I mean, it's crazy. I mean, between all of our videos that we've uploaded, to the content on social media, to being able to build go-karts for a various number of people. I mean, I don't think we introduced another son and his father into go-karting 2 weeks ago.
That's right.
They were able to purchase a used kart from us, and we took care of that, and absolutely loving it and getting into it. That one was close to home for me. His wife is immigrated to the United States, so that was cool, and from Japan. And so I mean, I think it's amazing. Just my understanding of the world of karting before, and you guys have seen our vlogs before, hopefully, and about how we just got into it as just dads trying to hang out with our kids. And the amazing part is there's so many other dads out there that are trying to do the same thing and just don't have any source.
Ain't that the truth? We went into this business 4 weeks ago with being very intentional, and we wanted to let you guys know and be part of that journey. And we wanted to come into business because it was a great way to support our boys, have fun, and make a living. Now, so we did go into this intentionally wanting to create a business, but I didn't have any expectations around how we would grow it, whether it's going to be organic or internet sales, or it's going to be stuff through YouTube or Instagram. But we've had a really nice, humble, kind of organic growth stemming from our all things from social and being local at the track and having those conversations. So really encouraging that we've been able to come this far in just 4 weeks. It's going to be amazing to see where we are in the next 4 weeks.
Yeah, I mean, I'm really excited. I think, if we can all get over this COVID and everything getting, hunkered down and not being able to hang out with each other. I mean, I'd love to see us be able to do a Go-Kart Academy kind of a barbecue or an event or something, and maybe during the summer. So you guys tell us, if you guys would love to come out, check us out at the garages, at the 893 Motorsport Garage at Atlanta Motorsports Park. They have a pool. We can use the pool and barbecue and get you guys and the 7-year-olds out.
Absolutely.
It'll be fun.
That's actually a great idea.
And even if you guys aren't members at Atlanta Motorsports Park and you guys want to come check it out, we can help you guys get on track and get the kids out and come have fun. So
you hear the kids screaming back there? If you can hear the kids screaming, we got 4 little ones running around upstairs and all around. So that's what we're dealing with as we're hanging out here building these karts. But one of the things that I was thinking about earlier was just how cool this journey is and how cool it is hopefully for you guys to be able to watch this journey through our documenting of it.
Yeah.
It's just, I hope that we're encouraging to any of you guys out there, if you're an entrepreneur or what I like to call the entre-pro curious, if you're curious about building something for yourself, we want you guys to watch our journey and see that you truly can live, we were talking about this earlier, the American dream of building something from scratch. And that's what I'm excited about actually in the next coming 4 weeks or so. So we've been doing this for 4 weeks, and we look out into the future just a little bit. One of the things that I'm super excited about is just being able to grow something from nothing. 2 dads who are heavily invested in automotive motorsports and their sons, and building a business off of it. It's been great to be able to dream with you about building a shop, building a headquarters, having a more legit garage, if you want to put it like that, a showroom, and really be able to bring the world of karting to the world.
Yeah, I mean, I think my aspirations for this is definitely being able to have that Apple Store feel. I think I've said that before. It's just walk in and it's kind of like being on a showroom floor of a high-end car dealership. You walk in and go, but you're also not scared, right? I've been to plenty of high-end car dealerships and they're some of the nicest people that you ever met. They're so welcoming. It's just, come on in, come check it out. They're just go-karts, guys. They're just cars.
Yep.
It's the same, I think that's the, people might set it out there on that pedestal, kind of like exotics and those things, but
it doesn't have to be intimidating.
No, it doesn't have to be intimidating. It's very relaxed and it's very just open. And I think that's where we are trying to bring down those barriers. We've said it before. We're trying to bring down that barrier of entry and allow normal kids that might never have been exposed to it ever and expose them. Come on, we all want that for our kids, right?
Yeah, I mean, I love the kind of the vision that you painted there, because I could totally see the doors opening up and the kids running through first, looking at all the go-karts, dad's trailing behind them, right? Where mom and dad are trailing behind them, and the kids are just looking at these beautiful, these beautiful karts, like this one that we just built today. Just looking at them and just kind of oogling over them, and being able to say, hey, welcome to Go-Kart Academy. Welcome to maybe your first entry kart. How can we get you in? How can we get you excited about the sport? I mean, I love the vision that you painted, because I could totally see that, and that would be exciting to do.
Yeah, I mean, I think there's so much that is not offered out there that we have the opportunity with, obviously with everybody's support out there, to bring all of the opportunities out. I mean, go-karts are not looked at as something that you could just lease or borrow or rent or that type of thing when it comes to these style of go-karts. But I don't know that that's out of the question. I think it's very, very feasible. I think it's something that we can look at. If you guys, said, hey man, how would one get into it without dropping, $7,000 right away, right? That's a big barrier to entry. Yeah, granted.
We've talked about that. Yeah. That's accessibility is one of the things that we're really noodling on, and we're really thinking about of how can we lower the barrier to entry? How can we include more people into this community, into this world of motorsport. There is generally a higher barrier to entry in terms of price point, but those are all levers that we can pull. Those are all levers that we can pull, and we can work out things. And I really want to make, I think the word I'm thinking about right here is, we really want to make this sport more accessible to everyone. You know, it doesn't matter where you come from in terms of a walk of life. I mean, this is something that is worth, if it's worth, to me, it's worth every penny, because you get to spend amazing time with your family and your kids. Or if it's just you and you just need something, or gives you some lateral G-force and some speed, and you're driving your beat up Subaru. I got nothing against Subarus.
I love Subaru.
I had one. So like, that's okay. You can have a beat up Subaru, but you want to have track time. So if you're older dude and you want to go fast too, I mean, we want to make this sport accessible from 7 years old or 5 years old all the way up to 70 years old.
Yeah, I mean, I think there's definitely options out there that we will. Again, we're here to help you guys. You know, so if it's the phone call or the email, hey, really can't, we'd love to come out and check it out, but we'd like to XYZ, we can't, we can work with you guys. So I think that's really where a lot of people get shut down, is the no. No, you can't. No, we're not going to do that. No, we're not going to do that. Look, man, we're just two guys, two dads who want to see other dads and other kids having fun. And hey, if you're an adult and you're looking for it for yourself, call us, reach out, hit me up on Instagram, hit us up on the forum. Look, we'd really like to come check it out. Please come. If you're in another city and you want to fly in, you want to go check out AMP, I've said it before, we will figure out how to get you on track.
We actually had a guy do that.
Yeah,
Danny.
That's right.
Danny came up from Miami. He was up here for work, and he's interested in getting into go-karting. So he came up and we just said, hey, it's on us. Have an experience, see what it's all about. You don't, and we're not pressuring anybody to buy anything. We just want people to experience the amount of fun and excitement that we have on the track. It's that passion for that excitement that we want to share. So whether, again, if you're 5, 6, 7 years old, you got a kid that's young, or if even yourself, we just want to make it accessible to you guys. And that's why we're creating this type of content.
Yeah, I think that's really it. I mean, we just want to bring the world of karting to you.
Absolutely. The world of karting to you. So guys, thanks so much for hanging out with us. Vlog number six, week 4 of Go Kart Academy and 893 Motorsports. We got sponsors now.
Yeah.
We got Kart. We're working on some more. And so guys, thanks so much for being here. Comment below. Let us know if you want to hang out with us. Obviously, join Go Kart Academy. Smash the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you out on the track.
We'll see you guys there.